The all-new Suzuki S-Cross gets fresh new styling inside and out, is underpinned by an updated version of the global C platform and comes powered by Suzuki's 1.4-litre booster-jet petrol engine. The second-gen Suzuki S-Cross measures 4,300mm in length, 1,785mm in width, 1,585mm in height, and has a wheelbase of 2,600mm. The length, width and wheelbase of the new model are surprisingly identical to that of the outgoing one, although the overall height is actually 10mm shorter. The new S-Cross has a bold design which is similar to Suzuki XL6. The exterior design includes a newly designed oversized front grille with horizontal chrome line running through the grille towards the updated LED headlights. The side of the car looks sporty and much wider with 17-inch dual-tone black alloy wheels and side indicators. The back of the car also comes with newly designed tail lights. Unlike any other Suzuki, the top of new S-Cross is covered with a panoramic sunroof. Inside, the 2022 Suzuki S-Cross comes with a three-dimensional shape that is very SUV in its nature. The center console houses a large multifunctional 9-inch HD display audio system that is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and provides driving support functions such as vehicle information and camera image display. Both the interior and exterior have bold styling. Suzuki has also finally equipped the S-Cross with a sunroof. The car will be equipped with several advanced driver assistance system features like traffic sign recognition, autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, blind spot monitoring, lane departure prevention, and front and rear parking sensors and a 360-degree parking camera. The second generation S-Cross will come with a 1.4-litre DITC petrol engine with 48-volt mild hybrid technology producing 127 horsepower and 235 Nm of peak torque, and will have Suzuki's ALLGRIP Select 4-wheel drive system which can be controlled through a dial positioned at the instrument panel.